Hi, travel enthusiasts. Today I'm taking you on a virtual journey to one of America's most breathtaking destinations, Glacier National Park. Let's learn more from the pages of BywaysMagazine. If you're looking for a place that combines stunning natural beauty, rich history, and adventure, then Glacier National Park should be your next stop. First off, a bit of history. Established in 1910, Glacier National Park, located in the northern Rocky Mountains of Montana, has been a treasure trove of pristine wilderness and diverse wildlife for over a century. This park is part of the world's first international peace park, shared with Canada's Waterton Lakes National Park. Now let's talk about the attractions. Glacier National Park boasts over 700 miles of hiking trails. One of the most popular is the Highline Trail, offering panoramic views of alpine meadows and rugged peaks. If you're a fan of scenic drives, you cannot miss the Going to the Sun Road. This 50-mile stretch cuts across the park and provides jaw-dropping vistas at every turn. And let's not forget the park's namesake glaciers. While the number of glaciers has decreased due to global warming, the remaining ones, like Grinnell Glacier, are a stark reminder of the importance of conservation. When it comes to lodging, you've got options. From rustic backcountry camping to the historic Many Glacier Hotel, there's something for you. If you're looking for a cozy cabin experience, check out the Lake McDonald Lodge. It's a perfect blend of comfort and nature. For those who prefer a bit more luxury, the lodge at Whitefish Lake offers stunning views and top-notch amenities just outside the park. Feeling hungry? You're in for a treat. Inside the park, the ptarmigan dining room at Many Glacier Hotel serves up delicious meals with a view, or head over to Eddie's Cafe in Apgar Village for some hearty home-cooked fare. When you venture into nearby towns like Whitefish or Kalispell, you'll find an array of eateries ranging from gourmet restaurants to charming cafes. So, when's the best time to visit? Summer, from late June to mid-September, is ideal for hiking and road adventure. The weather is warm and all the facilities are open. However, if you prefer fewer crowds and don't mind a bit of chill, consider visiting in late spring or early fall. Each season brings its unique charm, with spring wildflowers and autumn foliage adding vibrant colors to the landscape. Finally, I want to touch on the glaciers themselves. Climate change has significantly impacted the park's glaciers. Scientists predict that by 2030, the park's remaining glaciers could be gone. Now is a crucial time to visit and appreciate these natural wonders, while also supporting efforts to protect and preserve them. Glacier National Park is more than just a destination. It's an experience. From its majestic landscapes and diverse wildlife to its rich history and vibrant local culture, Glacier offers something for every traveler to enjoy. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready for a unique adventure.
We are adding new videos every week featuring the destinations along the highways and byways of North America. Give us a like, and take a moment to subscribe and help support the Byways channel. Thanks for watching.